I've been fortunate to encounter many fascinating creatures during my travels. Few are as captivating as the kangaroo. I remember one particular encounter in the Australian outback. The sun was setting, casting long shadows across the red earth. Suddenly, a large red kangaroo emerged from the bush. It stood there for a moment, its powerful muscles tensed, observing me with intelligent eyes. Then, with a mighty leap, it bounded away, disappearing into the dusk. It was a brief encounter, but it left an indelible mark. Kangaroos are a symbol of Australia's unique wildlife. They are powerful, graceful, and perfectly adapted to their environment. In this exploration, we journey into the world of these remarkable creatures. We'll uncover their secrets, from their diverse species to their unusual lifestyles. Join me as we discover why kangaroos are so much more than just a national symbol. They are a vital part of Australia's ecosystem, and their story is one that deserves to be told. Australia is a land of extremes. It's home to vast deserts, lush rainforests, and rugged mountain ranges. In this diverse landscape, kangaroos thrive. They are found across the continent, from the arid outback to the tropical north. Each species has adapted to its specific environment. Some kangaroos, like the red kangaroo, prefer open grasslands. Others, like the tree kangaroo, inhabit dense forests. Despite their differences, all kangaroos share some common features. They have powerful hind legs, a long muscular tail, and a pouch for carrying their young. These adaptations make them perfectly suited for life in the Australian wilderness. Kangaroos are herbivores, their diet consisting mainly of grasses, leaves, and shrubs. They are incredibly efficient grazers, able to extract moisture from their food and survive for long periods without drinking. Their unique digestive system allows them to break down tough plant material. This adaptation is crucial for their survival in Australia's often harsh climate. The kangaroo family is surprisingly diverse. There are over 60 different species, ranging in size from the small rat kangaroos to the towering red kangaroo. Some are common, while others are critically endangered. Each species plays a unique role in its ecosystem. Red kangaroos, the largest of all marsupials, are a dominant presence in the arid inland. Eastern gray kangaroos are more adaptable and are found in a wider range of habitats. The smaller wallabies are often found in wetter, more forested areas. And then there are the tree kangaroos, which have adapted to life in the trees. Despite their differences, all kangaroos share a common ancestor. They evolved millions of years ago when Australia was a very different place. Over time, they have diversified to fill a wide range of ecological niches. This diversity is a testament to their evolutionary success. But it also makes them vulnerable to environmental change. No other animal embodies the spirit of the Australian outback quite like the red kangaroo. This iconic creature is not just a symbol of the wild, untamed heart of Australia, but also a marvel of evolutionary adaptation. Standing over 6 feet tall and weighing up to 200 pounds, it is a truly impressive creature. The sheer size and strength of the red kangaroo make it a formidable presence in the vast, open landscapes of the outback. The males, with their distinctive reddish-brown fur, are a powerful sight. Their fur not only provides camouflage against the reddish soil and rocks, but also plays a role in their social interactions and mating displays. They are the largest of all marsupials, and their size is a testament to their success in one of the harshest environments on Earth. The red kangaroo's ability to thrive in such a challenging habitat speaks volumes about its resilience and adaptability. Red kangaroos are perfectly adapted to the arid plains and deserts of Central Australia. These regions are characterized by extreme temperatures, scarce water sources, and limited vegetation, yet the red kangaroo has evolved to not only survive but flourish here. Their powerful hind legs allow them to cover vast distances in a single bound. This unique mode of locomotion is not just efficient but also energy-saving, enabling them to travel long distances in search of food and water. A single leap can propel them over 30 feet. This incredible ability to leap great distances helps them evade predators and navigate the rugged terrain of the outback with ease. They can also reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, making them one of the fastest land animals in Australia. This speed is crucial for escaping threats and covering the vast expanses of their territory quickly. But their most remarkable adaptation is their ability to conserve water. In an environment where water is a precious commodity, the red kangaroo has developed several strategies to minimize water loss and maximize efficiency. Red kangaroos can go for months without drinking, surviving on the moisture they extract from their food. This ability to derive water from their diet allows them to endure long periods of drought and scarcity. They have also evolved a unique way to regulate their body temperature. By licking their forearms, they can cool down even in the most intense heat. This behavior helps them maintain a stable body temperature and avoid overheating. By licking their forearms, they can cool down even in the most intense heat. This behavior helps them maintain a stable body temperature and avoid overheating. The saliva evaporates from their fur, creating a cooling effect that is vital for their survival in the scorching temperatures of the outback. These adaptations allow them to thrive in an environment where many other animals would perish. The red kangaroo's ability to endure and prosper in such a harsh landscape is a testament to the incredible power of nature and evolution. Their story is one of survival, resilience, and the remarkable ways in which life can adapt to even the most challenging conditions. While the red kangaroo might be the most iconic, the eastern gray kangaroo is the most commonly seen. As its name suggests, it is found along the eastern coast of Australia. It is also found in Tasmania and on several offshore islands. While not as large as its red cousin, the eastern gray kangaroo is still an impressive animal. Males can grow up to 6 feet tall and weigh up to 150 pounds. Eastern gray kangaroos are highly adaptable animals. They are found in a wide range of habitats, from open woodlands to coastal heaths. They are even known to venture into urban areas where they can sometimes be seen grazing in parks and gardens. Their diet is varied and consists of grasses, leaves, and fruits. Eastern gray kangaroos are social animals and live in groups called mobs. These mobs can range in size from a few individuals to over 100. The mobs are led by a dominant male who mates with the females in the group. The females give birth to a single joey, which they raise in their pouch for several months. Venturing north into Australia's tropical regions, we encounter the Antilopine kangaroo. This lesser-known species has adapted to life in a very different environment from its southern relatives. The Antilopine kangaroo inhabits the grassy woodlands and savannas of northern Australia, where it grazes on the lush vegetation. With its reddish-tan coat and slender build, the Antilopine kangaroo bears a striking resemblance to an antelope. This resemblance is no coincidence. It's a prime example of convergent evolution, where unrelated species develop similar characteristics in response to similar environmental pressures. The Antilopine kangaroo's long limbs and lightweight build are perfectly suited for navigating the tall grasses and open woodlands of its tropical home. Unlike the red and eastern gray kangaroos, which are primarily active at dawn and dusk, the Antilopine kangaroo is most active during the cooler hours of the day. This behavioral adaptation allows them to avoid the intense heat of the tropical sun. They are also known to take refuge in the shade during the hottest part of the day, further demonstrating their remarkable ability to adapt to their environment. Life for a kangaroo is a constant search for food and water. They are most active at dawn and dusk, when temperatures are cooler. During these times, they graze on grasses, leaves, and other vegetation. They use their powerful sense of smell to locate food and their sharp teeth to grind it down. As the day heats up, kangaroos seek shade to escape the scorching sun. They often rest in the shade of trees or bushes, conserving their energy until the cooler evening hours. When water is scarce, kangaroos can survive for long periods by extracting moisture from their food. They have also been known to dig for water in dry riverbeds. Despite their size and strength, kangaroos are prey animals. They are hunted by dingoes, foxes, and large birds of prey. To defend themselves, kangaroos use their powerful legs to deliver swift kicks. They can also use their sharp claws to inflict serious injury. When threatened, they will often thump their feet on the ground as a warning signal. One of the most fascinating aspects of kangaroo biology is their unique method of reproduction. Like all marsupials, kangaroos give birth to underdeveloped young. The joey, as it is known, is born blind and hairless, measuring just a few centimeters long. Immediately after birth, the joey crawls into its mother's pouch, where it will continue to develop for several months. The pouch is a marvel of nature. It is lined with soft fur and contains 4 teats, each producing a different type of milk tailored to the joey's changing needs as it grows. The joey remains attached to a teat for the first few months of its life, receiving all the nourishment it needs to grow. As the joey grows larger and stronger, it begins to spend more time outside the pouch. However, it will continue to return to the pouch for milk and protection for several more months. This close bond between mother and joey is essential for the joey's survival in the wild. It's a testament to the power of maternal instinct and the incredible adaptations that allow kangaroos to thrive in such challenging environments.